Good morning, everyone. I'm showing guys my new kanang arrangement. Dagan ikaw ani guys, so grabe ko pertaining do tatanaw. Wow, akong gibatan diri sa among gazebo, dari gazebo. So perfect kaayo siya. Very nice. So ganahan siya og kanang sige na shade, a lot of shade like this. Wow, so nindot kaayo, very healthy my plants, and I really like it. So very healthy this one too. Wow, look at an all. So dere pod akong gibutangan og ing ani. Very nice. Oh, that one is so cute color, and this is so lovely too, yellow. And here is different one too, pink and commercial old rose. So perfect po siya. So dere din is dere pod is parehag hapon siya. Akong gipamutangag mga i-transfer na ako guys kay you know here is summer, so I don't want them to cook and die, because if you buy this one in the market, this is gonna be a little bit pricey. So this is different one, different one, different one, different two, like this, different one too, also different. So below is the same. The one that I set to the gazebo, and here I move here my, just like what I said, that I move under the tree so they have some shade and you can still survive, especially so hot. So kani siya po, nabuhi na po siya. Ang ganda, grabe ang kwan guys. So I did not plant this one here, kaning mananaw. Nitubo ra siya diha. But this one is very bush na, very thick na kaya siya, but she did not give me yet flowers. I don't know, might be someday. So yan lang guys, and napaday dari guys. Oh, so nindot kaya siya. Ano, hanging bunch of orchids. And, oh wow, nabuhi na siya. This is very nice orchids guys. Kay hala, taas kayang kuan ani ka ng buwak white wild orchids. Oh, nabuhi na siya. Akong murag dancing lady na siya. And this one too, wow, thank you. And another kuan siya kanang si panganian no, air scarf ang pangalan guys. So anak na siya akong gitanom dari. So this is the main, siya ang main air tarp. So napaday diri guys. Oh, so Totally siya nang ano dyan siya pag-ayo yung mga dahon. Taas na dyan. Daghan na siya dahon. Yan na. Then kanipod is very nice po siya. Ano siya gabi. Mura siya plastic po. Kanipod mura siya. Kani. Nana po siya ko ano anak. Ano siya baby. Ano siya guys. So, ang ako hair scarf is naghan na dyan siya pag-ayo. Ako na siyang itanong po diri guys na under here is orchids ni siyang very nice. Wala na siya yun. Wow, na siya anak oh. Very beautiful. Wow. Ikuan dyan siya dyan utubo. So, napa guys. So, kani siya nga orchids guys. Wow. Namuhak na dyan siya finally. Tinood na siya nga buhak guys. Ano yung liso? Ay. Oh wow. Look at that. Very beautiful. But this one is plastic na siya. Ako lang siyang imbutangan kay dugay man siya namuwak no. Laay man ko itanaw. So, wow. Thank you orchids. I'm so happy. So, yan lang po guys. Thanks everyone for watching. Very beautiful.